Fat Moto review. After putting over 1,200 miles pulling this trailer from Virginia, halfway down Florida, across Florida, back up over Florida, and I am getting close to getting to Mobile, Alabama. Overall, the frame is still holding out, even though I have tapped some holes in the frame to add my apparatus which hooks up my trailer. Things that I have broke on this bike. One, handle grip. It was like this far, not on the bar, fell off. Two, throttle cable after going through 3 states. One, engine after going through North Carolina, South Carolina, and almost all the way across Georgia, right before I got to Florida. One engine. 36 spokes plus, because I had broken another rim. One rim, 36 spokes between the 2 rims. One axle, 36 spokes. One rim, I'm on my 2nd rim. I'm on my 3rd axle. 2 axles, 1 for each. These people not know I'm trying to make content? Let's see. Two rims plus an axle, 36 plus spokes, 1 throttle cable, 1 handle grip, and 1 engine at about 1,200 miles. I've done roughly 1,200 miles. I just spent the day at a Starbucks in a parking lot working. I had to replace some more spokes. I had to readjust the derailleur, and I had to shorten the chain. The chain had gotten too long and wasn't gripping correctly, so I had to do that. And I've been through 4 sets of brakes. I have no brakes in the back. I have not even replaced them. I tried to, but I've been to 3 sets up front. So 6 brake pads, one extra axle, 2 rims, 36 spokes, 1 throttle cable, 1 engine, and 1 hand grip. Oh, and a brake lever. The brake lever broke. Look at this guy. The brake lever broke, so I took a bolt and I took these clamps and I bolted it down on here, so that way I have a brake lever. Don't forget to like, follow, and comment, because I'm heading across the country on this bike with that dog, and that trailer.